Hello, this is Shamita Rose and you are watching my channel Agriculture with me. Today I will talk about tomato plant. Tomato plant is called botanically known as Solanum lycopersicum. Tomato is an edible berry plant. Tomatoes are originated from western South America and Central America. Tomatoes are usually considered as fruit, botanically considered as fruit, because they form from a flower and containing seeds. Still, they are most utilized as a vegetable in cooking. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of antioxidant lycopene, which is the many health benefits and including the risk of heart diseases and cancer. So don't waste your time and start the video. In this video, I will only explain how to prepare the nursery of
To
tomatoes.
prepare nursery is 1 hectare area, 200 to 50 gram seed for hybrid varieties and 350 to 400 gram seeds for other varieties are sufficient. Seed treatment should be done first. For this, treat the seed with the fungicide Thiram or Capton 2.5 gram per kg of seeds. In the nursery, plants should be prepared on raised beds. Tomato seeds are sown on nursery beds to raise seedlings for transplanting in the field. Raised bed of size 3 into 0.6 meter and 10 to 15 centimeter in height are prepared. About 70 centimeter distance is kept between two beds to carry out operations of watering, weeding, etc. Tomatoes run on warmth. Plant in late spring and early summer, except in zone 10, where they are a fall and winter crop. A nursery bed is a place of highland for raising seedlings and is made with pillar bricks and furrows. It is just like a seed bed. This place is selected for the planting of cutting, layers, grafts instead of seed sowing. Nurseries are of two types. Temporary nurseries, these are established in or near the planting site. Once the seedlings for planting are raised, the nursery becomes part of the planted site. There are sometimes called flying nurseries. The seeds are expected to sprout in 8 to 10 days. The watering should continue until a week or two before transplanting, where it is reduced to harden and the seedlings. Seedlings will take about 1 month before they are ready for transplanting. More sun equals more fruit. Choose your sunniest garden spot because tomatoes soak up sunshine just like water. 6 to 8 hours of sun in all tomato plants need. Tomatoes thrive in full sun. Compost and composted manure are great additions to the soil for tomatoes and lots of other plants. Compost aids basic nutrients and improves soil structure. Composted manure provides nutrients all season long. Composted manure, this provides a slow release of nutrients over the growing season. Tomato plants perform best in soil that is loose, rich, and drains well, which means they translate easily to container gardens, especially more compact determined tomatoes or bush varieties. Determinate tomato varieties that grow larger, have more extensive root systems, and do better planted directly in the ground. Tomato plants do best when grown in nurseries and transplanted later. Tomatoes are annual plants completing every stage of their growth from germinating seed to plant with fruit containing seed in one season. Every tomato seed contains a tiny tomato plant that is alive but dormant. When environmental conditions are right, the seed will germinate. This is when the tiny plant sprouts from the seed and begins to grow. According to experts, desi tomato or tomato are a better bet for your curries than the hybrid and genetically engineered varieties. Why tomatoes are one of the richest source of vitamin C and beta carotene. All of them support heart health. But tomato is one that is the result of internationally cross-pollinating two different varieties of tomato. This means the child plant will have characteristics of both of the parent plants. These tomatoes can be very hardy, disease resistant, and produce fruit that is consistent in size and shape. We warn that hybrid tomato seeds will likely not produce tomatoes that are true to their type. By definition, a hybrid tomato plant is a cross between two different varieties. A hybrid variety can be recreated only by crossing the exact same two types of parent plants. Tomatoes are self-pollinating, means they have flowers and contains both male and female parts. So more that one plant is not needed for reproduction. Thanks for watching. And this is the part 1 of tomato nurseries. After that, I will discuss in next video how to transplant tomatoes in the field. Allah Hafiz.